You know, some days you just want to catch some fish, and that's what today is. So I'm out at the lake, and we're gonna fish for some planted or stalked rainbow trout, and it's gonna be a fun day. Oh, it's just a beautiful day out. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's so many fish jumping. This is crazy. They did just plant this lake 2 days ago with 5,000 fish, 10,000 fish. I don't remember. It was something like 50 fish per acre, something really crazy. Because it's a small lake, it's only like 200 acres. And so even though they planted 10,000 up in American Lake, didn't go there because that lake is huge. It's like 1,100 acres. It was like 9 fish per acre or something. So I will definitely take a 50 fish per acre over a 9 fish per acre lake. That's just craziness. Rainbow trout are found in almost every state in the US. They're one of the most widely introduced fish species in the entire world. So they're native to the rivers and lakes on the Pacific coast of North America, from southern Alaska to Mexico, but they've been farmed since the 1880s and introduced to dozens of countries, and they're now found on every continent except for Antarctica. And most of these farmed trout across the world today actually came from just 2 hatcheries in California in that early time period, the 1880s. They're mainly raised for sport and food. The fish right here were pretty much raised for the sole purpose of providing recreational fishing opportunities in Washington. There are still wild native rainbow trout in some river systems on the west coast, but most of the lakes in the Pacific Northwest hold hatchery reared trout. Whoop! There's a fish. Oh my gosh. This one's a fighter. Jesus. Okay, okay. Come on. Come on. Run it out. Good. Come on. Oh man, he's really there we go. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Look at that. Hello, pretty trout. Look at you. This one's in pretty good shape on the KASTMASTER. There we go. Woo! Okay. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah. That's actually a nice one. Yeah. Nice. It's a decent looking trout right there on the pink rooster tail. Sweet. Pretty, pretty. There we go. Another bite. Another bite. Ooh, we got a jumper. Ooh, aren't you athletic? Let him run it out. And into the boat we go. Oh, that's a nice sized one. And he unhooked himself. Very nice. Very nice. Let's pick it up a little bit. See if they want it a little faster. I saw one jump right over there. That's where I'm going. This lake is so shallow and weedy. Oop, here we go. Ah! Oof. Oh my gosh. This is the big one. Oh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, he's just, oh man. Oh, this one's big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh man. Oh, that's crazy. Oh wow, yeah, this has to be a big fish. Oof. That was not graceful. Graceful is not my MO. It's a nice fish though. It's the biggest one I've caught today. It's a nice sized trout for this lake. He's a fatty. Look at this. This is a nice fish. This is a really nice fish. He's huge. So, trolling the RAPALA here. It's got 2 treble hooks on it, and that's what got me that nice fatty rainbow trout. There we go. Just like that. Oh my gosh, adjust my camera. Got one. Oh yeah, a nice one too. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Nice. Well, that's a big one. That might be the biggest one that I've caught today. That's crazy. On the woolly bugger. Yeah, that's the biggest trout of the day. Right there. Woolly bugger for the win. Who knew? I didn't. I've never trolled flies before, but worked out pretty good. Woolly bugger. Nice. So many trout. Nice. He's pretty small. We're gonna let him go. So I had a really awesome time kayak fishing out on the lake today. I caught a lot of trout. I'm gonna keep a few, but it was just a really beautiful day. I had a lot of fun. I hope that you're all doing well and that you are having some amazing fishing adventures yourselves. So until next time, tight lines and take care.